what's up guys, and welcome back to a brand new episode of FluidTV, and today we're just going to be doing a small unboxing of this Blue Yeti microphone that I recently just got. Even though I bought it through express shipping, you know, it took fucking years to come, as always. Good old Australia Post, hashtag no hate. Yeah, I decided to buy this microphone because one, it was on sale, and two, I broke my microphone boom arm, which really pains me, so I had to change my setup all around, so it was a bit shit. I ended up selling my Blue Snowball to one of my mates because, you know, he broke his headset, and funnily enough, it's the headset in the background because all three of us have the same headset, funnily enough. Corsair Void 7.1 sound thing. It's just a wireless headset, one of the best headsets I've ever bought, 100% would recommend. I would do a review on it, but I'm too lazy to do anything other than this unboxing because, you know, exams are coming up, and who wants to do YouTube while exams? I'm joking. But anyways, back to the review. This microphone is like, I can't remember the term of the actual color, but I'm just going to go with blue steel. It looks like a Blue Yeti blue steel. Any CSGO fans will remember the good old days of Counter-Strike knives and before Valve fucked the economy. But anyways, this unboxing took me quite a while actually. I mean, I've only got a few minutes of like the unboxing on. But the meme is, it literally was like, why won't you open? And then I ended up wasting 20 minutes trying to fucking figure out how to open it, and then realized I just had to cut this small like slit open, and it just folded open. So props to me for wasting 20 minutes on trying to do this. But I hope you guys are enjoying some of the background ASMR sounds of fucking styrofoam squealing. Oh, ASMR triggers me so much. But anyways, I'm just gonna leave the background sound of me unboxing this in because, you know, some people might want to hear it. Otherwise, you'd just literally be hearing my voice, plain and simple. But yeah. Anyways, this microphone, the Blue Yeti, comes in a variety of different colors. The blue one I've got now is limited to only a couple retailers. For example, JB Hi-Fi, they have a red version of this, and, you know, it's limited to them, or I'm sure you can get it somewhere else. But yeah, other than those two exclusive colors, they're not really exclusive colors, but you can get black and you can get silver, and black and silver are really the main colors. Other than that, I just thought I'd get the blue one because why the fuck not? So this microphone's actually super interesting because when I first plugged it in, the mute button right there was actually turned on. So I don't know why they had the mute button set on to begin with, but you just press it and turn on. It turns out that when it's flashing red, that's when you know it's muted, where compared to when it's just one red standard. But on the base it has a USB mic connection, obviously, because it's a USB mic, and an headphone audio jack which you can use to listen to your audio while you're speaking at the same time. But other than that, this microphone is pretty standard. No messing around with studio fucking sound boxes. But yeah, it does have the volume on the very front so that you can control what your volume sounds like when you've got earphones plugged in, just to, you know, see if it's going. Anyways, on the back there's the gain dial and 4 different settings that you could choose from. Bidirectional is the figure 8 sign, omnidirectional is the circle, cardioid is like the love heart, and stereo is the bloody 2 circles. But each of those have their own different functions. Some are good for vocals, some are good for a choir, if you're doing instruments in a band, or podcasts or voiceovers or vocals, or even conference calls, or if you're fucking out in the field. I don't know where you'd be out in the field recording somewhere, or, you know, maybe you're doing a duet, maybe you're doing an interview, maybe you've got a podcast, you know, who knows. This microphone, as it says on the box, infinite possibilities. And as the possibilities are not infinite, the mic is still pretty good. So this is what the microphone looks like all set up and just sitting on my desk. this microphone didn't take too long to set up. It's fairly simple. You literally just plug it in and it's installed. There's no software needed to fuck around with. It's just such an easy setup, and I would definitely recommend this mic. And if I had to give it a rating out of 10, the audio quality is pretty decent, the setup's pretty decent, the weight, the bulkiness, everything plays into a factor. I'd give it maybe an 8 out of 10. Apparently there's a new Blue Yeti called the Blue Yeti Pro, so stick around for that. I might be doing a review on that when this mic gets old. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching the review, and now I'm just going to take you around a quick setup tour of what my setup looks like. Anyways, enjoy some styrofoam ASMR. Headphone warning, you may want to turn your volume down. So yeah, this is my dual monitor setup, 2 BenQ monitors. I used to have 3 monitors, but 3 is really overkill, so that's why I only have 2. Plus the BenQ monitors match together. They're pretty good, even though one's bigger than the other, but I like it that way. I usually play games on my bigger monitor and have Discord open in the other BenQ monitor. But anyways, I've got a simple Mionix mouse. Most people have never even heard of that brand, but I bought it 2014, 2015, so I guess I get a bit of a pass for that. Razer Firefly mousepad fucking glows every color of the rainbow, because why the fuck not? Also my keyboard, Razer Black Widow Chroma, that glows every color as well, but I just keep all of the things on green. It's just simpler. It's just nice and neat on green. At night, sometimes my whole room fucking glows green because of the mouse pad. But yeah, that's literally my setup. Thanks guys for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed my unboxing, my cringe ASMR, and my mini setup video. Literally, I say this almost every time, but more videos are coming soon. I have a new mic. I have no excuses. I mean, I do have exams, but fuck exams. YouTube is way more fun than exams. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and I'll see you next time.
I won't be home for dinner tonight.
What?
I have to work late. I said I have to work tonight. I won't be home for dinner.